Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Indonesian ebook before it's gone. Do you feel like you don't speak enough Indonesian? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Siapa nama kamu? What's your name? Siapa nama kamu? What's your name? Saya Blanca. My name is Blanca, or I'm Blanca. Saya Blanca. Siapa nama kamu? What's your name? Saya Mika. I'm Mika. Senang bertemu denganmu. Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu denganmu. Or you can say, senang bertemu dengan kamu. Senang bertemu denganmu. Senang bertemu denganmu. This is like universal. Apa kabar? How are you? Apa kabar? Saya baik. Terima kasih. Dan kamu? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Saya baik. Terima kasih. Dan kamu? Bersantai di pantai. To relax at the beach. Saya suka bersantai di pantai saat akhir pekan. Saya suka bersantai di pantai saat akhir pekan. I like to relax at the beach on the weekend. Belajar memasak masakan Indonesia. To learn to cook Indonesian food. Saya akan mengikuti kelas memasak masakan Indonesia. Saya akan mengikuti kelas memasak masakan Indonesia. I will take an Indonesian cooking class. Makan barbecue. To have a barbecue. Saya lebih suka makan barbecue di restoran. Saya lebih suka makan barbecue di restoran. I prefer to have a barbecue at a restaurant. Pesta semalaman. To party all night. Mereka pulang jam 5 pagi setelah pesta semalaman. Mereka pulang jam 5 pagi setelah pesta semalaman. They went home at 5 o'clock after partying all night. Berjemur. To get a tan. Dia sedang berjemur di balkon. Dia sedang berjemur di balkon. He is getting a tan at the balcony. Pergi mendaki. To go hiking. Kami akan pergi mendaki akhir pekan ini. Kami akan pergi mendaki akhir pekan ini. We will go hiking this weekend. Bekerja paruh waktu. To work a part-time job. Setiap hari Senin dan Selasa, saya bekerja paruh waktu di kafe. Setiap hari Senin dan Selasa, saya bekerja paruh waktu di kafe. Every Monday and Tuesday, I work part-time at the cafe. Bersenang-senang dengan teman. to have fun with friends. Saya sering main ke mall untuk bersenang-senang dengan teman. Saya sering main ke mall untuk bersenang-senang dengan teman. I often go to the mall to have fun with friends. Saya akan pergi makan siang bersama teman sekelas saya. Saya akan pergi makan siang bersama teman sekelas saya. I will have lunch together with my classmate. Ring! Oh, it's lunchtime. I'm going to eat lunch with my classmate. Let's go! Hey, wait! I want to eat lunch too. I'm hungry. Wait! Sudah tengah malam, tapi pekerjaan rumah saya belum selesai. It's already midnight, but I haven't finished my homework. Please help someone. Sekolah saya terletak sekitar 15 menit dari rumah saya. Sekolah saya terletak sekitar 15 menit dari rumah saya. My school is located around 15 minutes from my home. Saya ingin belajar mengendarai mobil. Saya ingin belajar mengendarai mobil. I want to learn how to drive a car. I think there's a lot to study beside learning how to drive a car. You can study how to cook Indonesian, belajar masak Indonesia, learn how to cook Indonesian food, or you can keep learning Indonesian like now. Saya membeli baju hangat ini saat saya berpergian ke New York. I bought this sweater by the time I traveled to New York. Saya membeli baju hangat ini saat saya berpergian ke New York. Di luar agak berangin, jadi sebaiknya kamu pakai jaket. Di luar agak berangin, jadi sebaiknya kamu pakai jaket. It's a little bit windy outside, so you better wear your jacket. Sekitar bulan Oktober, udaranya sangat sejuk. Sekitar bulan Oktober, udaranya sangat sejuk. Around October, the air is very cool. Saya butuh laptop agar saya bisa bekerja di mana saja. Saya butuh laptop agar saya bisa bekerja di mana saja. I need a laptop so I can work anywhere. Minyak wangi yang saya suka tidak dijual di sini. Minyak wangi yang saya suka tidak dijual di sini. The perfume that I like is not sold in here. Ongkos untuk memperbaiki kamera digital saya yang rusak sangat mahal. Ongkos untuk memperbaiki kamera digital saya yang rusak sangat mahal. The cost of repairing my broken digital camera is very expensive. Saya ingin seluler pintar untuk hadiah ulang tahun saya. Saya ingin seluler pintar untuk hadiah ulang tahun saya. I want a smartphone for my birthday present. Saya sedang mencari kamus bahasa Perancis Inggris. Saya sedang mencari kamus bahasa Perancis Inggris. I'm looking for a French-English language dictionary.
Want to speak real Indonesian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at indonesianpod101.com.
Saya suka ransel ini karena ringan dan luas. Saya suka ransel ini karena ringan dan luas. I like this backpack because it is light and spacious. Saya suka ransel ini karena ringan, light, dan luas. Hari ini akan turun hujan sepanjang hari. Hari ini akan turun hujan sepanjang hari. Today the rain will fall all day. So today the rain will fall all day. So what will I do today? Aha, sleep. Because that's what Indonesians do when it's raining outside. We sleep inside. We have this word called mager, means males gerak, means we are lazy to do anything at all. So this is what we do when it's raining. Mager, males gerak. Just sleep. I'm too lazy to do anything. Saya biasanya membeli buku lewat Amazon. Saya biasanya membeli buku lewat Amazon. I usually buy books through Amazon. Apakah kamu sudah belajar untuk ujian besok? Apakah kamu sudah belajar untuk ujian besok? Have you studied for tomorrow's exam? So about exam or ujian, we have a system that we call SKS. It stands for Sistem Kebut Semalam. So the English for this is an overnight racing system. If you have an exam tomorrow and you haven't studied at all, like you're trying to study everything overnight. And that's what most students do. But that's the student life. Next word. Melestarikan. To conserve. Mari melestarikan lingkungan dengan penghijauan. Mari melestarikan lingkungan dengan penghijauan. Let's conserve the environment through reforestation. Saat pilek, saya sering minum air jahe yang hangat dengan madu dan lemon. Saat pilek, saya sering minum air jahe yang hangat dengan madu dan lemon. When I catch a cold, I often drink a warm ginger water with honey and lemon. Yes, actually in Indonesia, we add milk and raw egg with this. But not honey. We use like a brown sugar, which is very, very special that we cannot find it in outside Indonesia. Probably we can in Thailand or Philippines, but it's different. So yeah, this is very good if you're catching a cold or pilek. I hate pilek. I hate cold, like runny nose, cold and fever. My head hurts. I want to go to the doctor and I want to sleep. Libur musim panas mendatang, kami akan pergi berkunjung ke Hawaii. Libur musim panas mendatang, kami akan pergi berkunjung ke Hawaii. On the upcoming summer break, we will travel to Hawaii. So about this summer break, libur musim panas, we actually don't have libur musim panas or summer break because we have summer all year long. We don't have spring, autumn, or winter. So we actually don't call it summer break. We call it end of the school year vacation. So it happens around May, June. It happens when you finish like one school year. Like if you finish your 5th grade, then you're going to move to 6th grade. You got a break. You get like a month and a half break. So yes, we don't actually have summer break. Saya suka sekali dengan sepatu ini, tapi ukuran saya sudah habis terjual. Saya suka sekali dengan sepatu ini, tapi ukuran saya sudah habis terjual. I really like these shoes, but my size is sold out. I just read about this, but is it true that nowadays people are allowed to use hideous sneakers? No, I never heard of it. Yeah, I read. Probably it's like a sarcasm because like in the 90s, the 80s and 90s, like sneakers are really, really cool and well, they're new trend. But now it's like the trend is like, you can find any shoes that you want in the market and some of them are hideous, but you're allowed to use it because you like it. So people are allowed to use any shoes that they like nowadays. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I read this some probably not important meme. Okay, and the next one. Mengikuti sekolah musim panas. To attend summer school. Adik saya akan mengikuti sekolah musim panas. Adik saya akan mengikuti sekolah musim panas. My sister will attend summer school. So as I said before, we don't have summer or winter or autumn or spring. So in this case, it's true if he or she will attend summer school abroad. Yeah. It could be, wait, summer, it's always like August, July, but I'm not sure. Probably it's only different in Australia. Is that correct? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. You don't have any? Really? Okay then, I will give you one. You can write on the comment section about this lesson today, anything that you want to write. If you like it, if you have a favorite phrases or words in Indonesian, or any question that you want to ask me. Okay? That's your homework. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Did you get it? Terima kasih. Thank you. Kursi pantai. Beach chair. Kacamata renang kamu saya letakkan di kursi pantai. Kacamata renang kamu saya letakkan di kursi pantai. I put your goggles on the beach chair. Iya means yes. Iya. So you can answer this if you're agreeing with something or you want to say yes. Or just yeah. Iya. Or yeah. Yes. Kotak pendingin. Cooler. Tolong ambilkan teh botol saya di kotak pendingin. Tolong ambilkan teh botol saya di kotak pendingin. Please take my tea bottle from the cooler. Pretty please. Kotak pendingin means kotak means box. Like dingin means cold. So a box who keeps something cold inside. Kotak pendingin. It's really, really helpful and cheap. Yeah, you just have to put a lot of ice inside. Baik. Okay. Baik. Okay. This word means good, but it can be used if you say okay. It's also okay to use okay in Indonesia because they also understand okay. But in a formal way, you say baik. Sawo matang. Tan. Saya ingin punya kulit sawo matang seperti kamu. Saya ingin punya kulit sawo matang seperti kamu. I want to have a tan color skin like yours. So this word sawo matang comes from a fruit, sawo. So the shape of the fruit is similar to kiwi. Like it's not too big, not too small, like brownish outside. Inside also like brownish. Yeah, so sawo matang, it's like my kind of skin color. It's not too fair, it's not too dark. It's just like brownish, like that fruit, sawo matang, tan. Saya minta maaf. I'm sorry. 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 What did I do wrong? I don't know, but just say you're sorry. It works every phrase, every situation. Saya minta maaf. Sendal jepit. Flip-flop. Dia kemana-mana selalu pakai sendal jepit. Dia kemana-mana selalu pakai sendal jepit. He always goes everywhere in flip-flops. It's easier to wear flip-flops everywhere, like every day. It's easy, it's comfortable, it's cheap, you can buy it anywhere, it's made of rubber, and even if it's raining, you don't have to ruin your leather shoes or your running shoes or whatever shoes you're wearing. It's just easy, like flip-flop forever. Sendal jepit. Yay, sendal jepit. Di mana letak kamar kecil? I have to go. Di mana letak kamar kecil? Where is the restroom? This is the same word in English, but just different pronunciation. It's bikini. Yay! Saya kurang berani pakai bikini. Saya kurang berani pakai bikini. I'm not daring enough to wear a bikini. So this is probably true for most Indonesian women, especially who live in Indonesia. Anywhere, any place. We are Muslim majority country, so a lot of people, even if they go swimming on the beach or on the swimming pool, they wear a very special swimsuit. All of their bodies covered in the swimsuit except for your face. Berapa harganya? How much is this? You can use this if you are shopping in a small shop. Mbak, berapa harganya? And you can even bargain for it if they let you. Just try. Mbak, berapa? Miss, how much? Tolong. Help. Tolong. Help. Help please. Mohon tolong saya. Sampai jumpa lagi. See you later. Sampai jumpa lagi. You can use this in the end of your meeting. Sampai jumpa lagi.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Indonesian ebook before it's gone.